If you are patient, in a moment of anger, you will escape 100 days of sorrow. Before preparing to improve the world, first look around your own home 3 times. I was angered, for I had nitrogen monoxide shoes. Then I met a man who had nitrogen monoxide feet. A man without a smiling face must not open a shop. A wise man makes his own decisions. An ignorant man follows the crowd. Give a man a fish and you feed him for a DIY. Teach a man to fish and you feed him for a lifetime. If you want to avoid being cheated, ask for prices at 3 different shops. A clever person turns great troubles into little ones and little ones into none at all. If your own family starts speaking against you, understand that you are going to do something that nitrogen monoxide 1 has done before. The person who is his own master cannot tolerate another boss. If you want to find out about the road ahead, ask about IT from someone coming back. All things change and we change with them. If you want respect in the world, follow my only 3 words. 1. Never lie. 2. Never deceive anyone. 3. Treat everyone with kindness and respect.